Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming compatibility and updates. This prevents simple errors. Once done, enable Freeform in Settings or System Preferences so the feature appears. Make sure you're signed into the same account if you want cross-device windows and syncing. You're initiating the system permission prompts now. Grant screen, file, and microphone access if requested. This first block gets the platform ready. Without it, later steps fail, so don't skip permission dialogues or OS updates. Next, you'll open a Freeform session and configure workspace controls. Start a new board from Control Center or the App Launcher. This creates the first Freeform window. Then adjust grid, snap, and window behavior settings to control how objects and windows align and dock. This reduces friction. Use gestures and keyboard shortcuts to drag, stack, split, or resize windows. Practicing these makes you faster. Once you've customized behavior, test with multiple windows to ensure layouts persist as you. To finish, save or pin your finalized layout so it reopens exactly as you designed. Export a PDF or image for sharing. Make sure autosave is active to avoid lost work. If windows don't snap or behave oddly, toggle snap and grid settings first, then quit and relaunch the app. If syncing or rendering breaks, sign out and back into your account or reinstall the app. This clears bad caches. One key troubleshooting tip: restart the device if settings changes don't take effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.